3708 for set number W3. See over here. We got the old map here. We're going to a double decker. 4801. Go downstairs. Here, this is 4801 downstairs double decker set. 4814 is the next one. Another double decker set. Thing jumps up there, so let's go down here. The last carriage here for W3. This is 3702. It is a single decker. Center, windows. Cool. 3002. Sign there. And we're done. Alright, we got the drum cab from here. See, we're done. What's this about? So that's your handbrake down here, and that holds the train position when there's no power on the brakes. And then that's a gauge to show you how much pressure is in the brake line. And then if there was ever an emergency, the guard or the driver would just pull this down, it would apply the brakes instantly. Or it would release the pressure and the brakes would come on. So let's sit down here. And what's this about? So in here, you've got your driver's cab. These are various switches for lights and all sorts of different things. Out here's all your controls for your marker lights outside and your garden cab lights. These are your gauges. That tells you how many amps you're pulling. That tells you the pressure to raise and lower your pantograph. That shows how much pressure is in your brake cylinder, and that shows you how much is in your main reservoir. And what happened was you would hold this, and then you could put it in different positions. And if the driver collapsed or something happened and let go, the brake would come on, the train would stop. So this sets your direction. You got forward, off, reverse, and isolate. It's in isolate now, so you can't. And then that's your brake stand. So that's in the emergency. No, that's in the off position. I think that is emergency. I know. That over there is called ready and running. And then they're different sort of like how much on do you want them.
It's really rusty.
Yeah.
What's this for again?
So up there are your two solenoids, which will fill and deflate the air or remove the air from the cylinders, and it will send it up to the pantograph to raise and lower it. If there was no air in these, you'd have to pump it up by foot. There's a little pump in there, and you would have to pump it up until there's enough pressure to raise one pan, and once you raise one, you can do the other end by air pressure.
So let's walk through here.
And then you've got here the guards controls. Because this is a power door operated train, you would have to open the doors on this side, so this control panel will do this side, and then you've obviously got the bell because all the time when you're in a train you hear the bell ring, and then the train goes, and then you've got the panel on the other side for the other set of doors.
Oh, okay. Let's walk through here. This is car 3702.
Yep.
Let's see. All the carriage.
Yeah, that's all the information.
This is the single door ones that can't open. Has a window.
So the way the doors work with lock, it's got a sort of arm behind the door which swings and pushes the doors open and close, and it can't be manually sort of pushed open like in any other train. You would have to use the emergency relief.
That's cool.
If you open the emergency relief at the train, you have to put it back on.
What's up, put back on. So this is same carriage. We're in single decker one. It's all uneven seats, sadly. Still car 702, as you can see here. Same single door ones that can open and close, but we can't do that at the moment. And yeah,
I spent a few hours fixing it.
Yeah. So I'll pause the video from here. So we're gonna go to the next one. This is double decker what?
4814.
4814. So you see up here, 4814. It's the old the Sydney system by State Rail. That's it. And we got the old cab lights. Oh, not cab lights, what? Old carriage lights, the car lights. It's the brake, I'm guessing.
Yeah, it's handbrake.
Handbrake.
This car has one.
Let's see over here. What's that? I don't know. Hold. Smaller seats and some big ones. Not sure why. These doors can open and close, right? No? Yeah, okay.
Yeah, they're backlot windows. That's what the S used to have on them until they changed them.
Oh yeah, because a lot of people... I mean, the bus still has that, the old buses.
So, this is 4801. This was the first double decker ever built.
Yep.
The numbers are in the process of being hand painted. You can see where the stickers have been taken off. And these have the doors you can move yourself with. I won't touch that one.
Okay.
This one, open and close.
Let's just go through there.
And the way these ones work is there's like an air cylinder above the door. I don't know if you can see it. It's very hard to get a glimpse of.
Let's see if you can see from here.
Yeah, you can just see it in there. And it pulls the door open or close. And that's why you can push it, because it's not doing anything unlike the other ones where the arm is attached to the door.
So we're going upstairs?
Upstairs, downstairs, whatever.
So this is a very small kind of roof here. Got a vent. Is that vent right? That's vent, right? Yep. We're going down here. Yeah, don't die on the train. It's bad. So this is still 4801.
Yep.
This is the last double decker here. I'm gonna go change to a single decker, which is car number.
3708.
I mean, here's this
3708. I got
3708. Where's the number? Up where? Oh, up there. What is
well there.
Yeah.
These numbers are also in the process of being repainted.
You see over there. Pause the video if you want to and read that. And hopefully the light doesn't get there. So this has the single door ones. Are these manual or automatic?
These are manual.
Manual doors.
Oh, sorry, automatic.
The automatic doors.
But these have been opened manually.
Alright, so we're going through here. So this is the last carriage. And what's this set number?
W3.
W3.
The only one in existence.
Only one in existence. It's still alive today. We've got some door stuff.
More door controls.
More door controls.
And then here's your cab.
Here's the cab. A different kind of cab.
Slightly different.
Slightly different. We have a kind of a cloth thing here to shading out the lights.
And you got your horn.
That doesn't work.
Because if there was air pressure on, you'd kill everyone in this building.
And then this is a different kind of control because these are, have a different kind of setup here. Much more cleaner.
I'm not using it.
So it's basically the same one?
Yeah, it's pretty much the same as the other one. And then obviously in the guard needs to put a special plug in down here.
Okay.
And that's what puts the blue light on. And that's what lets you ring the bell. Because at the moment the bell won't ring. But if we have a plug,
That's cool. So, we'll end the video here. Here's the last brake pressure thing.
And that's a newer sort of.
Newer, yeah, because the other one has a different one, right? What's that for? What is that for? Fish or something?
Yeah.
This is the window here. Door. It's a 3-door one. 3-handle door.
Yep.
3-handle door right here. There's one there, one in the middle.
One
Up here.
Yep.
Got the latch here.
Make sure no one can open it, and then you would normally lock that, but it's locked from the outside.
Yeah. Alright, so there we go.